Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a unarc dynamic link library when you try to install the game or software. Usually a repack of files, repack software can encounter this error. So thank you for answer.microsoft.com provide this article. Thank you for Rafi Kumar Fadal Malai, independent advisor, to provide the solution. So here, unarc.dll error code 14, for example, you can run the SFC. You can copy this text SFC scan now, and you can pass into the command prompt or a CMD. Here you can search for CMD, type CMD on your search. This is the command prompt, run as administrator, click yes, and here you can paste the SFC hashtag scan now you can enter and let the process begin, because this command line can fix corrupted files or corrupted system files or missing one. So after this process is finished, you can restart your PC and try to reinstall your software or reinstall the game. And also there is one solution, one method that you can try. You can hold Windows key and R key and type ms config. Now you can click OK, and you can click on boot, click advanced options, and click on number processor and set the maximum processor that you have. I do have 4 cores, so the maximum number of processor is of course only 4. If you have 8, if you have 6, even 12, you can set at that maximum. After that you can click OK and restart your system. And after you finish the installation, you can go back into the default. Just untick the box and click OK, click apply and OK. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.